Hey, what's up guys? It's AdanHC, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take apart a PS4 controller. That is, if you'd like to give it a clean if it's dirty, or fix the analog stick drift, whatever, or if you just want to see what's inside it. So you unscrew these screws. I've already unscrewed them, so because I thought it would be boring to show it on video. So yeah, I've done that already. So what you do is you sort of pull it like wait, let me just get something. Right, you just get like something, and yes, sort of just open it like that, and then go around the whole controller. Boom. Almost done. Oh, I thought I fucked it up. Nope, we did. Yep. Okay, so now you see it's opened. Shit, the battery. Motherfucker. Okay. So we got everything. And got one of these plier, whatever the fuck these things are called, I have no idea. Or something similar. And take out that ribbon. Or you can do it with your hands if you'd like. Yep, you can do it with your hands. So it was just over here. And then you just take it out. Easy. And then you just give it a clean if you'd like, if it's dirty. And then the battery. Alright guys, so now that I've disconnected the battery, I thought I would just cut it because it was taking way too long. So you take that like white bit out of the yellowy white thing, and then yeah, just take it out, put it on the side. So this is the battery, so from now on if you hold the PlayStation button it will not power on. So now you want to take out, so there's only one screw that you need to take out, and that's that one. I don't know. This one, yep. You take it out. There we go. And boom. Probably gonna put some epic music over this so it's not completely boring. Oh, see. Okay, and then you bastard. Come on then, dickhead. Let's put that in here. Now, what the fuck? Oh yeah, perfect. So now we've shit. What the fuck have I done? Right, so you do this carefully, and don't do it like me, that's for sure. Shit. Oh fuck, where did that come from? Oh, that's from the... I don't fucking know. But, there's something... Oh, I see. Shit. Yep. Okay. Now there's... Okay. There's the ribbon. The ribbon is... Ah, fuck. Okay. This... where's the ribbon? I see, but how the fuck do I take this out? Yeah. Yeah, because I'm just watching a tutorial, even though I did do it before. Okay, so take the ribbon off. Ah. Now here's when this little fucker comes in. I'm just wondering though, I swear you have to open up that like a shade door thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, sure, you can't even see it, can you? Yep. You just pull it out. And now you can take them apart. Now you've got the, let me just put it in here. Now this is probably the worst fucking tutorial you could watch. Okay, so now that you've cleaned it and all, let's say there's Joy-Con drift. You sort of pull out these grey bits, which I will not be attempting, because I have never done it, I don't think. I mean, I'll try. Fucker. You pull them out somehow, and you just snap them back on, but... Oh, fucker. Yeah, so you just take it out, and what you do is... just sort of get, fucking, what are these called? Cotton buds, and you just... I don't know, you just take one and just, like... clean it around the edges, on the inside. Take out these grey bits, because that's what, like, I don't know, look how it moves when I move it. And also on the inside, if there's anything either like preventing it from like moving or something, I don't know, or a ton of dust, just like get it out, you know. And fucking minky. Alright. And then you got it, or maybe you can take it out and like, if you're wanting to clean it, and then you just snap it back on. Shit. Yep. I got it back on, and yeah, so like, or maybe if like these buttons aren't working, you just clean them, see if there's anything on them preventing from the button to make contact. And also you can take, like, using this tutorial to like take this shit apart, you can follow it, and then like that is if your buttons are dirty and like your controllers and shit, and then you just clean them, and then now we're gonna stick them back together. Now I've noticed there's right, it doesn't matter. Okay, so oh shit. Now I don't remember where these things came from. I wish I knew. What could it have been? I need to think about this. Well, I guess I'll be back once I figure this out. Oh my god, I just realized those are the start and share buttons, right? They're not important as of yet. So I can slap them back on soon. So, as far as I remember, put it on like that. Yep. And then, right, so you hold it, and put the fucking controller back in. Wait. Okay. Boom. Right. Okay. And now the buttons don't really matter. Oh shit, should I put them in first? Yeah. Let's... Fucking dick. Shit. Fucking dick. Yeah, I finally got those stupid buttons in. And now we put these together like that. And it's pretty neat, but first... Oh shit. Now this is stupid. Need to get the ribbon. Can't fucking fit that through. Okay, now that you've got the ribbon in, I can still push it slightly more. I don't know how far. Yep, so the white line shows up there. Okay, and then the battery, oh, shitting crackhead, you slam it on, nope, slam it on like that, and I would put it in so like the red wire is going like towards you, if you're holding it like that, not like that. I don't know, that's just how I do it. And then, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. Slam it in. Slam it. Obviously not slam it, but be gentle. And here, this ribbon. Now this ribbon is the, what's it called, what's it called, like the light at the back. Forgot the name of it. And you put it in like, shit. Oh yeah, also, I mean, if your PS4 controller doesn't work, it doesn't turn on, I would recommend you just get a new battery rather than paying another 40 quid or $50, I don't know. Wherever you live, it's different. Just for a new controller when you can easily fix it. I'm just trying to put the shitting ribbon in, but... Oh my fuck. Okay, there it is. And should slap back on. Yeah. Just need to give it a little more of a clean. Apologies. Yeah, sort of just under there with the cotton thing. Jesus Christ, it's so fucking dirty. Hey guys, I'm just doing a little outro for the video while I'm editing it because I just saw that there's no outro, so I thought I would just record one quickly. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this for more, and tell me down below in the comments if you actually did enjoy that, and if there's anything I could have improved on, except from the awful camera angle, which I am very aware of, and will hopefully fix it for the next video. Okay, well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace. See you in the next video. Bye bye.